In this video, I will show you how to quickly swap the position of two values in Excel. So now we want to swap this value to here. So easy and quick way, press and hold shift key on your keyboard. Now once your cursor move to 4 arrow, drag and drop and keep anywhere. So we can see first is 10 and second is 20. We will make changes here and we will shift 10 to 20 like this. Similarly, press and hold shift, select any cell, then shift and hold. Now you can move your cell anyway. So this way you can swap like this. So thanks for watching.